This is everything you need to know to create a native Australian wreath. Hey, my name is Liz. I'm going to show you how to make your own DIY native Australian wreath. Let's get into it. To begin, I'm going to gather all of our products together. For our project, we're going to be using Australian natives. These are fresh cuttings, but you can also use artificial foliage. To create the ring that we're going to attach our foliage to, I'm going to use this pot trolley and cut out the centre using pliers. Next, arrange your foliage on your wreath base to your liking. Once you're happy with your look, secure the foliage to the wreath using cable ties. Finally, hang your wreath in your desired location. I'm going to hang mine on the wall above the fireplace. And there you have it, a lovely native Australian wreath. If you liked this video, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks.